What is up, YouTube? It is a cold, rainy kind of day in New Hampshire, but we still got stuff to do, so let's get at it. Come along with me. It's that time of year I start layering up. I got 3 layers on right now, and it's not even really getting that cold in New Hampshire, but I am not made for this. Joe is having the time of his life. He is playing in a skid steer, cleaning up our equipment landing, so I'll flip this around and see what he's been up to. Like all right here where the logs from that brush cleanup job that we're gonna split for firewood, so it looks like he put them all in a nice pile over there. Looks like he's moving on the like stumps and branchy, viney kind of material. And that's our loam pile that we've been adding to and mixing all summer. And then we have our 14-year-old. I'm not sure what he's doing. He has not been feeling good for like 4 or 5 days now. Maybe 3 or 4. Just a head cold and sleeping a lot, not feeling 100%. So good to see him out and about and getting some fresh air. Looks like his dirt bike track is living another day, unless Daddy starts tearing that apart later. I'm not sure. But let's go for a walk down here and see what he's doing, what his plan is. It's kind of a sloppy, mucky mess. And I may be freezing, but I am still in my flip-flops. For those who know me, know I'm a die hard until we get like 6 inches of snow. Punko, how you feeling? Alright. Yeah? I'm glad that you're getting some fresh air. Did you move all those logs with your bare hands?
Yeah.
I figured. Muscle man.
I took them all up at once. Just threw them over
All
there.
at once even?
And I threw them over there and they landed perfectly.
That's amazing. You're hired.
Nice.
I'll take you to all the jobs.
Alright.
Okay. Daddy making a mess.
Trying to.
You're doing a good job.
Good.
I mean, like you're doing a good job, not like you're making a mess.
I was hoping I was doing a good job making a mess.
You know, calling me crazy. Well, okay, first, what you doing?
Making a mess.
Are you, I knew you were going to come down and work down here, but is your idea to like extend this parking area?
Yeah, we had dropped a bunch of log piles, but out of the 1 ton, they just dump wherever you can dump. So I wanted to get the logs over that way. These I'll leave here because most of it's already cut to stove length.
Yeah.
So Bentley's gonna fire up his new log splitter and start splitting that stuff.
Right now?
Not right now.
Good job, B.
But
Get to work.
so we'll probably do that just right where it sits instead of me moving it to split it.
Yeah. To move
To
it.
split it to move it. If I
Yeah.
just split it right there and then we start stacking it on pallets, we'll be good.
You know what I was looking at? Which you'll probably like roll your eyes and, you know, do the whole
I
guy
don't
thing.
even know if I know how to roll my
Guy thing. I thought girls roll their eyes.
But like, see where this red maple
Yeah.
is that we planted? I was thinking if you bring this down, like kind of up to the tree and do that same distance around, you could have the road like twice as wide. So whether this is extended behind me just to like pull forward and turn, you know, like park things in there, you have more space, or if people are coming and going,
It's
there's,
about where the road was, you can see like a little ridge. And all I've had here has been the tractor to like knife in there.
yeah,
The road just kind of got grown in and I've just kept it kind of like York Drake's what it is.
yeah,
But now that I have this and I can cut that edge down, the road will be that extra like 5 feet wide.
going into the grass.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that idea. Make a little
that
more
up a little
space.
nicer.
Yeah. Very cool.
And on this end, I don't think we still didn't come up with our plan of how things are going to go, but if this is over here and say this isn't very deep, well, this is a good spot to put a row of implements and trucks versus like if it's somewhere deeper, trailers or
Yeah.
trucks and trailers.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times the only reason I unhook trucks from trailers is because it's just too much space. Otherwise, a lot of times the Duramax can stay hooked to the white enclosed. That truck usually stays hooked to the equipment trailer. And then if we mow with another, like if the other trailer goes out, it's usually behind the other 1 ton.
Yeah.
So that's the only trailer that really comes unhooked very often is the open landscape trailer.
All right. So we're going to make a little more space for implements and trucks down here.
I mean, this is my loam pile, but it's just been a couple of jobs here and there and clearing stuff off from here. So it's not like it has a whole lot of value the way it is. It's still some years before it's like
Yeah.
good and screened. So at
No,
this
your
point-
good stuff is the motocross track.
No, but at this point, that's more valuable to me as dirty fill.
Yeah.
And then when I dig in up top, the next project up there, I know because I've already dug into the bank to a certain extent, it's all good gravel up along there that I'll bring my last foot. See how this is still sloped down?
Yeah.
I'll bring like a foot of that up with the gravel.
And then we can top
And then
it
when
with
I
ledge
get
pack.
to the top, I can screen my gravel down to like 1.5 inches with that grizzly screen over there.
Oh, yeah. Well, cool. Well, I'll let you work for a little bit more. I need a few minutes in the barn, and then we got to go ahead drop your truck off to get one more thing before Kentucky.
Yep.
Where's your truck?
I don't remember.
It's up there.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe I'll
I
get
tried
a
to
shot
pack a
of
bunch them up there
before and then after.
so I can start moving stuff around down here. But
All right. Well, I'll stay out of your way for like 10 minutes, and then I'm ready.
okay, I'm gonna take this bucket off and put the regular dirt bucket on for a minute. I think.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you said
Bentley.
we're gonna go start making a track. I heard that. I
Don't
thought,
have
right?
kids. That's my quote of the day for Harvey.
Was that an accident?
No. No, kid's been sick for a week. Skid steer comes home for one night, and I knew that the next day it was going to be, can we build a track? Can we build a track?
No, it's been home since I've been
But
sick.
if what he doesn't
I just haven't
notice,
begged because I felt too
what he
bad.
doesn't notice is that where it's going is full of trees.
It might be a little
I don't
process.
have a brush cutter for the front of this that would make easy work.
Just drive
of it.
over it.
Bentley, we should just go get Dad a brush cutter.
Yeah.
I do have a brush job this week.
All right, let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna do like a quick little look at this truck video for 10 seconds. And let's see if you notice the video in a day or two from now. We'll see if you notice what's different. He's making quite good progress, I would say. Look how low that pile's gotten. How flat everything looks. That's awesome. That's literally giving like so much more space. I mean, not double, but like half. Although, almost double if he cleans up like where the loader in that pile is. If you go from that like white trailer over, that's doubling the space, I would say. So much more room for activities. One of Joe and Bentley's favorite movies. Like, look at this. Look at how cool that is. And I can't tell how many more feet until the stone wall, but we do want to leave like some shrubbery, junk or not, just so that there's like a little barrier between us and the neighbors. I mean, like 15-20 minutes ago it looked different. It amazes me how much something can change in such a quick amount of time. Says he's not an operator. Look at this newbie barely being able to control this machine. This morning, Joe went and helped a friend pick up a bunch of concrete, whatever the heck they're called. Joe, what were those things called you got this morning? Concrete what?
Piers.
Yeah, that's the word. Concrete piers.
Deck piers.
Precast deck piers. He went and helped a friend. It was raining. We were either going to have a slow start or whatever. And we knew we were just going to do stuff around here. So he went and helped a friend get those this morning. And we've just been working on the yard. I did some office work.
A little bit of gravel, and we just gained 4 parking spots.
I know. It's amazing. It looks so good. It's actually, Joe, it's not that bad for you not being an operator.
Yeah, I'm not very good. No, it's like this, but it's... I just came up 2-3 feet, whatever, with muck and mud. So
yeah, it looks awful.
I'm just tracking it in and tapping
Horrible.
it in. And...
You're fired. We're going to get going, and I am going to work on this video and bring you a little bit of footage. I hope you enjoyed. Anything with the skid steer makes me smile. I know it makes him smile. And we hope you guys have...
I don't know if you got it, but I just did a big cheesy smile.
But we hope you guys are having fun, being safe, and yeah, getting ready for the hurricane if you're down south. And we will see you guys next time. Have a great night. Peace out, YouTube.
Peace.
Peace.